Hello? Hello? Sino to? Hello? Sabihin mo lang, salamat Shopee!
Salamat, Shopee! Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Giselle and obviously walang hats for today dahil nga LDR ang peg natin ngayong quarantine. But nonetheless, welcome to our YouTube channel! This is going to be the third review video sa aming YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched our iPhone and laptop review yet, link are on the description box below. So please feel free to watch it later. For today's review, sobrang excited na akong i-share sa inyo kung ano yung naging experience ko sa pagbili ng sulit and affordable na ring light sa Shopee. Pero bago ang lahat, konting disclaimer lang guys. Ito pong mga ina-upload naming review videos ay hindi para magyabang, but to ultimately help you guys out by giving you the product review at syempre para ma-share na rin namin sa inyo yung mga ginagawa naming ways on how you can also successfully purchase your item online, especially ngayong quarantine. This is also not a sponsored video, so if you are an aspiring or certified TikTokerist, dancerist, singerist, makeup artist, photographist, or anything naman sis or vlogger na naghahanap ng quality and affordable ring light, please keep on watching. I ordered the ring light last May 21 and I paid through Shopee Pay dahil nga wala na option for cash on delivery. Of course, hindi na ako nag-expect na mabilisan yung delivery niya at masusunod talaga yung order details na nakalagay doon for the delivery. But I was surprised ng May 23 guys, na-deliver na siya by 3 p.m. So, transaction-wise, binibigyan ko po ng 2 stars ang shop na ito dahil hindi man lang sila nasagot sa iyong mga inquiries, but delivery-wise, perfect. Alright, so ngayon ipapakita ko na sa inyo ang ring light unboxing. Palang ring light ay size 12 inches or 30 centimeters. Of course, may kasama na siyang 2.1 meter tripod stand. At meron na rin siyang adjustable phone holder. At alam nyo ba guys, nabili ko lang to for only 849 pesos. O diba sobrang mura dahil compared sa mall price, it will cost you around 1,000 to 3,000 pesos for a ring light set. Actually, depende naman yung price niya sa size na bibili mo. So, para may idea kayo, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung price comparison ng mga nakita ko ring light. Guys, be careful lang sa pagpili ng ring light na bibili nyo dahil based sa mga nabasa kong review, ang daming nagsabi na nag-purchase sila ng ring light tapos kulang yung item na na-deliver sa kanila. I think it's maybe because hindi nila binasa ng maigi yung product description. Kasi like dito sa shop na to, meron silang in-emphasize na kapag yung pinakamaliit na size ng ring light, which is I think the 16 centimeter ay hindi kasama yung phone holder. And meron namang iba na hinahanap nila yung tripod, pero ang pinili lang nila ay ring light. So, kapag bumili ka kasi ng ring light, ay nasa around 300 to 400 pesos lang. Pero, if katulad mo ko na walang tripod, walang ring light, at mas convenient na may phone holder, of course, bilhin nyo na yung set. Now, for the product test, ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung paano yung setup ng pag-film ko ngayon at syempre yung itsura ng ring light. I'll be using another phone camera. Ayan. Alright guys, so here's the full setup of my 12 inches dimmable ring light. Ayan. With its 2.1 meter tripod stand. Of course, the phone holder na adjustable. and my iPhone 7 Plus in 128GB na nabili ka rin online. So if naghahanap din kayo ng brand new and affordable iPhone or gadgets, click the link below sa description para mapanood nyo rin yung review ko. Of course, meron din itong buttons. At take note na meron lang siyang USB port and you need to have an adapter. So I'm holding the buttons ng ring light na to. We have here the power button, the mode button, dahil mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 3 mode na meron siya. We also have the up and down button. Currently, ang ginagamit kong light ay ang white. Now, the second mode ay ang combination ng white and warm yellow. And we also have the warm yellow. Now guys, ang maganda dito, you'll have 10 choices for the brightness. Pwede mo siya i-adjust. Mula muna sa pinakamababa. Ayan. Right. Just click the up button or the down button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. I think 6 lang. Pero based sa product details, it comes with 10 adjustable brightness daw. Alright. So that's it. Now, for the finale, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang comparison kung ano yung itsura kapag walang ring light at kapag may ginagamit kang ring light. O, diba? It really makes a big difference kapag meron kang ring light. So, if you're planning to buy one, go ahead dahil isa rin itong magandang investment. Now, if you also want the same ring light na nabili ko at ginagamit ko ngayon, don't worry because I already put the link on the description below. Alright, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope I was able to help you in purchasing your own ring light. Please do us a favor by clicking the like button. Of course, may mga questions kayo, i-comment nyo lang yan below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notice bell for you to be updated on our next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Keep safe. Bye!